Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading po ito, no, for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start the reading. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader ha, paka-search na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan. And yung amin pong TikTok, Unicorn Princess Unicorn Princess Tarot or Unicorn Princess Shop. I-search mo na lang yan sa TikTok. Okay, let's start your reading. Anong meron sa ating mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. You do have the Three of Swords. Ten of Swords. Why? Okay. I feel like you are broken-hearted right now. Sobra ka nasasaktan. Maybe there's an ending or something ended sa inyo ng person na ito that you're dealing with. This is love reading, guys, no? Pakiramdam mo, masaya na siya, or you could be dealing with a past person. The world is here. Some of you pwedeng may third party na involved dito, and then you see your person now kung ano siya talaga. You know, kumbaga might be kung ano ba talaga siya sa buhay mo. Okay? For some of you, in-ignore mo yun dati, hindi mo yun pinansin eh. So, you might be dealing with a person na ngayon mo lang siya na-realize na importante pala siya sa'yo, na mahalaga pala siya para sa'yo, and that sobrang nalulungkot ka kasi wala kang magawa. You might be dealing with a person na stuck or may karelasyon ng iba. Okay? But, feeling mo yung person nito is masaya naman siya sa sa person niya. So, anong laban ko doon? Masaya siya eh. Parang ganun. And, really broken-hearted right here, no? The Ten of Swords, sobrang lungkot, sobrang sad. And the Three of Swords, sobrang ka nasasaktan ngayon. Sa connection na ito, like, you want this to end. Itong nararamdaman mo na hindi mo maintindihan yung iba sa inyo, hindi mo rin maintindihan eh. Kunwari lang you're happy, masaya ka, whatever, but anyway, punta natin yung person mo. Wait lang, guys. Mamimili pa ng card na gagamitin ko for your person. May naka-prepare ako dito sa aking side ng cards, pero hindi ito yung nararamdaman kong gagamitin. So, wait lang, ha. Okay, I will use this one. Kunin natin yung energy ng person mo. For the sign of Earth sign, please. Grabe, nararamdaman ko yung energy mo. Sobra ka nasasaktan talaga. Ayaw mo yung feeling niyan, pero wala kang magawa. Sobrang down mo. Ang sakit. Ayaw mong masaktan eh. Kasi alam mo yung ayaw mong masaktan kasi wala ka namang karapatan masaktan. Alam mo yun? Yung parang, bakit ako nasasaktan ng ganito? Hindi naman ako dapat nasasaktan kasi may, wala namang, yung iba sa inyo, wala namang kayo. Kunin natin yung main energy ng person mo, ha? Wait lang, isang shuffle na lang. Sana ay makuha ko yung energy ng person mo. Sana makarelate ka dito sa reading. Kung hindi, wag mong pilitin ang sarili mo. May iba pa namang reading para sa'yo. Okay. The Ten of Swords. Guys, the Ten of Swords is here. Wow. And the Ace of Wands. Yeah, the Empress is at the bottom of the deck. I feel like, sobra yung paghanga mo dito sa person nito. You like this person inside and out. So, pwedeng mabait siyang tao, magaling siya, or what, or you know, nakikita mo siya as the empress, kahanga-hanga. I want that person kasi bukod sa mahal mo, ay nakikita mo siya yung kaugalian or you know, very feminine. Nakikita mo sa kanya yung gusto mo talaga sa isang tao. The Empress is here, kahanga-hangang tao. But with the Chariot, hindi ko naman siya nakikitang lumalayo or umiiwas because sa Chariot, naramdaman ko yung energy na reversal, bukod sa ito ay reversal talaga. Hindi kasi ako nagbabasa ng reversal, guys, but naramdaman ko talaga yung reversal dito. So, hindi naman siya lumalayo at tumatakbo sa'yo eh. No? But, I feel like the Ten of Swords, so, pwedeng talaga nagkakaroon ng ending. Pero kung para sa sakit na nararamdaman mo, yung person na ito mas nagfo-focus na lang sa new beginnings niya ngayon. Kasi honestly, ano magagawa ng feelings ko na nasasaktan, 'di ba? So yung person mo, as you can see, dito sa dalawang deck na to, your Ten of Swords is talagang naka-lie down ka or ikaw ay nakadapa. The other one is although masakit, although mahirap itong ending na nangyayari sa inyo, pinipilit niyang tumayo eh. Pinipilit niyang tumayo. Parang, hindi, kaya ko to. So, may separation na nangyayari sa person mo at sa'yo. Pero yung person na ito, pinipilit niyang kayanin. Okay? So, ano ba yung situation? Gagamit ulit ako ng card dito. I want to know more about the situation. Ano ang situation ninyo ng person mo? What is the situation here? Please tell me. What is the situation here? Please tell me. Spirit guides me, guys. Yeah, nakakita talaga ako ng separation. Ano yung situation niyo ng person na ito? You do have here trash. So, pareho ninyong tinathrow or kinakalimutan, tinatry kalimutan or iwasan ng isa't isa. Or, you know, discarding the past. No, pareho ninyong pinipilit na kalimutan ang bawat isa. With the Archangel Michael, so, tinatry niyong protektahan pareho ang sarili nyo kasi ayaw nyo masaktan. Tell me more about the situation. What's with the trash? Ano to? Some of you could be dealing with an ex. Ayan, no? Pretending is here. So, may pagkukunwari sa inyong dalawa regarding this connection. Yan. The pressure cooker is here. So, I feel like some of you, isa sa inyo, no, nakakaramdam tayo ng about to explode kind of energy. Malapit ko nang hindi kayanin kung ano to nararamdaman ko. That kind of energy. And, yeah, you do have your meeting 2 or more people. Ayan, pag sinabi natin 2 or more people, so you could be dealing with a person na dalawa ang kakonect niya, which is you and the other person. And, if you're dealing with the past person or an ex, pwedeng nakahanap na siya ng bago. So, kaya wala ka na magawa kasi may bago na siya, masaya na siya. Some of you naman, ang situation is that hindi mo siya pwedeng mahalin kasi meron siyang kakonect na, you know. This person, lalo na with the Empress, nakikita natin yung pagmamahal na ginagawa niya sa sarili niya, focusing sa kanyang sarili. Baga, kung bakit siya bumabangon, ang iniisip niya na lang, hindi, kailangan kong mahalin ang sarili ko, kailangan kong mag-focus sa sarili ko, etc. Ano ba emotion mo sa taong to? The Empress. Alik, diba? What I've told you. Humahanga ka sa kanya. Gustong-gusto mo siya. Lagi mo siya naiisip na ayaw mo siyang isipin pero wala kang choice kundi mahal mo siya. The Eight of Pentacles. Nagfo-focus ka sa career mo. Four of Swords. I feel like you're not doing anything. Wala kang ginagawa regarding dito sa connection nito. Tinatry mong, you know, with the Magician, I don't know, tinatry mo mag-focus sa ibang bagay, like your skills, talents, etc. You're being more artistic, creative. Yun ang ginagawa mo. Mahal mo tong taong to but you know, kumbaga nasa isip mo, hindi, kailangan ko libangin ang sarili ko. Wala kang magawa regarding sa connection nito. Honestly. Magdasal lang, yan lang ginagawa. So, how about your person? Anong emotions niya for you? Sobra paghanga mo dito sa person na ito eh. Ano emosyon mo, ng person na ito towards you? Yung iba sa inyo, you feel like, hindi ko siya mahal. Gusto ko lang siya kasi gusto ko ng ganyang klaseng tao. Diba? Some of you, gano'n, nililin lang mo na lang yung sarili mo na hindi, infatuation lang to. Wala to, crush lang to. Gusto ko lang siya. Gusto ko lang siya kasi yung tsura niya, nagagandaan ako, napupugian ako, gano'n. Emotion ng person na ito for you. The Fool. The Two of Swords, Nine of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. I feel like yung person na ito is trying to focus on his or her problems. So, may problema siya regarding family. Na parang gusto niya matapos, pinagdidesisyonan niya, kina-cut off niya ito, whatever this problems is. So, ito yung focus niya. Honestly, ang tingin niya ang tanga mo. Sorry about the word. Pero he or she feels like ang tanga mo kasi might be nagkaroon ng chance sa inyong dalawa but then mas pinili mo pa rin lumayo, umiwas. So, some of you, ikaw ang naunang umalis, lumayo. And then, the person mo, ang tanga mo, nagkaroon na tayo ng chance, hindi mo pa ginrab yun. So, some of you ganon. Kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo na dalawa ng person ito, mas higit yung nararamdaman kong sakit for you, for now. Kasi siya pinipilit niya, hindi, nag-end na yun sa amin. So, kailangan ko na lang tanggapin. Yan, lalo na with the Knight of Pentacles. So, pwedeng may mga offers in the past. Ayan. And then, hindi mo tinanggap. Okay, magpakasay na lang ako, etc. Tinanggap ng person na ito yung hinamoy yung pulbo or pabango. It's gonna be a reading. Yeah, wala na. Anyway, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. So, pwede may mga offers siya in the past. Kaya lang, hindi mo tinanggap eh. You are the one who focus on work, career, etc., pag-aaral, etc. So, meron kang mga pinag-focusan in the past na pwedeng itong person na ito, pwedeng nag-take din siya ng risk in the past, but then, hindi nag-work out. What will happen in the future for the both of you, Earth sign, in the near future? Knight of Pentacles is here. The Ace of Swords. The Sun and the Queen of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Swords. And King of Swords is here. Kuha na rin ako ng deck dito. Ay, ng card dito. In the near future. You could be mirroring each other. You could be dealing with your twin flame. Yan. This is a mirror soul. Guys, nagmi-mirror ang inyong soul. Or pareho kayo, para kayo nagsasalamin sa isa't isa. Five of Swords is here. So, nagpakita na sa bottom of the deck mo si Five of Swords. And the Five of Swords is nagpakita rin sa side niya. And kanina pa, may mga mirroring energies dito. And you do have the Two of Cups. The Sun. Guys, I told you, nagmi-mirror talaga kayo. This could be a twin flame connection. The Sun is also at your side here. Okay? Tapos yung si Knight of Pentacles, nagpakita ito yung nasa bottom of the deck kanina ng person mo. So, tell me more. Also, pagtingin ko kanina ng aking timer dito sa cellphone, timer while recording kasi may time yun, ano? It's 14:14. So, what's with the Three of Swords? What's with the Three of Swords, please? Spirit guys, angel guys. Page of Swords is here. Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Honestly, ang nakakasira or I don't see any actions coming from you. No, wala akong nakikitang actions dyan. And also for your person, wala. Bakit? Wala tayong nakikita. Ang pinaka-action mo is the Queen of Swords because you feel like hindi pwedeng dalawa kami. No? Kahit pag-usapan natin itong connection natin, wala namang magagawa yung pag-uusap natin. Kasi honestly, hindi mo pa rin naman pwedeng ipasok ang sarili mo sa kanya. Or ipilit ang sarili mo sa kanya. With the Five of Swords, I feel like tinatry mong i-accept that this person is already in a relationship na hindi pwede yun. Kasi nasa relasyon na siya eh. And the sun here is, both of you will try to be more, will try to be happy. No, in the future, itatry nyo maging masaya kahit wala siya. Itatry mong maging masaya kahit wala siya. Itatry niya rin maging masaya kahit wala ka. And for some of you, if this is a twin flame connection, oo, napakahirap, ano? The Five of Swords is here. Ganon din. Tinatanggap din ng person mo na ikaw ay hindi pwede. Or hindi na pwede. Parang ganon. And the reason could be, kahit ano, no, yung iba career, or might be may kakonect ka ding iba, so that will be anything. That could be anything. And then with the Page of Swords, this could be the other person, nakakonect ng person mo, and I feel like this person, sa kanya ko nararamdaman yung hindi masaya. Nandun yung pain. This person is feeling a lot of pain. And I feel like there's a relationship here na parang yung person mo, and itatry ko nilang i-grow itong relationship namin. So, alamin natin bakit nasasaktan yung other person. It's just that na naki-question lang. You know, with the Ten of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles, there's balance pagdating sa money. I can see a lot of money coming for your person. I like that. I like the energy. So, maraming pera ang paparating sa person na ito. Sa person mo. And, bakit nasasaktan yung isa? I want to know bakit nasasaktan yung isa. The Lovers is here. And the Nine of Swords. Clarify the Knight of Swords, please. Oh my gosh, guys. The King of Swords is here. Yung King of Swords, nasa side mo din eh. And the Page of Swords, guys, nagmi-mirror na naman kayo. Especially, guys, this is a twin flame connection. Eh, kanina, pwedeng hindi pa eh. But, now, it is fine. It is like, marami ng signs that this is a twin flame connection. Page of Swords, another mirroring card, followed by the King of Swords, and yung King of Swords nandito rin. Pwedeng hindi mo maialis, hindi maalis tong connection. Pilitin man ninyo na lumayo or iwasan ng isa't isa. There will be always a time wherein maybe conversation na kaya itong other person will like get this feeling na parang magti-trigger sa kanya na anytime pwede akong iwan or layuan itong taong to. Parang ganun yung feeling niya sa person mo, no? Yung person niya iniisip na anytime pwede akong iwan ito eh. 'Di ba? Nandun yung feeling na ganun. Yung sakit, yung takot na kasi anytime pwede siyang mawala or pwedeng mawala yung person niya dahil sa'yo. Ikaw ang number one reason kung ba't nasasaktan itong person na ito. Person niya. Situation in the near future for Earth sign. Lockdown is here. Yeah. Both of you are trying to lock yourself or, you know, the roller coaster. Actually, ito na yung nakikita ko kanina while telling you kung gaano pa ulit-ulit yung connection ninyo because there's a roller coaster ride. As you can see, yung roller coaster is just like a road or, you know, the roller coaster, alam mo naman yun, isa lang ang destination. Wherein, paulit-ulit, ganun at ganun. Yung storya nyo, ganun at ganun. No? Ganun at ganun. So, there's may time na malalayo siya sa'yo or magkakaroon ng separation, magkakaroon ng katahimikan, silence, no communication, etc. And then time will come na naman na magkikita na naman kayo, magtatagpo na naman kayo, and there's excitement again. Then after that, it will end again. You know what I mean? So, paulit-ulit eh. And the situation in the near future, you do have a tragedy, it's because itong connection ninyo is like forbidden. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Especially, hindi ko nilalahat, guys. Especially, kung ikaw ay, ang relihiyon, no, ay hindi pwedeng mangaliwa or hindi pwedeng mag-asawa ng isa pa. Especially if that is the case, you know, kasi, you know, ito yung mas nakikita natin din kung bakit parang sa isip ninyong dalawa, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Both of you are trying to push each other. Pareho kayo. I don't feel, ito sa totoo lang, hindi ko na-feel na nagra-run kayo sa connection. So, baka kaya nga yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng balik-balik na connection eh. Kasi hindi naman ninyo nilalayon or tinatakbuhan ng bawat isa eh. You do have here aliens, so there's dreams, there's songs, and there's telepathic connection sa inyong dalawa, spiritual connection in the near future, ngayon, in the near future, and in the far future. You're trying to hide it. Pareho kayo. Pareho niyong hinahide yan. Ayan, kaya nyo hinahide just in case na maging single na yung isa. Maging single na yung, maybe even both of you, pag nagkaroon na ng, ang status na ay single. And then there's this ascension, which is, pwede na mag-move ang connection na ito into a deeper level of connection. Okay? Kaya lang the family, it's in reverse, naramdaman ko yung reversal, might be may family na involved. So, ang hirap eh, isa pa ito sa nakakapagpapigil. Like, hindi natin pwedeng ituloy itong connection na ito dahil may mga bagay tayong kailangan i-cut off na hindi naman natin pwedeng i-cut off basta-basta. Especially kung may mga batang involved. You know what I mean? So tiisin na lang natin yung pagiging cold natin sa isa't isa. Tiisin na lang natin itong ganito ganyan. And you want more from this connection. Your person wants more sa connection ito, kaya lang hindi talaga pwede. Okay? I don't feel like wini-wish nyo sa isa't isa na matuloy ang connection na ito. What I feel like is that pinipigilan ninyo pareho. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate ka, nakuha mo yung messages doon. Sana nakakuha ka ng message. And sana mag-comment, guys, yung iba sa inyo, ha. Ma-appreciate ko yung comment. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano ako natutuwa sa mga nagko-comment sa akin. Kasi nakita ko yung mga nagpa-follow sa akin ay ang dami pala ninyo na nakasuporta. Salamat sa inyo, guys. And if you want, you can follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, or Unicorn Princess Shop. Diyan, pwede mong ma-avail yung mga aming mga bagay na ginagawa. Crystals bracelets, evil eye, dyan mo ma-avail yan sa TikTok shop. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.